Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we'll be learning about what is function and there are types. So let's get started. Function is performing a specific task, like for example, the function of heart is to pump blood through the body. That's it. In programming as well, there is this code of block, and whenever the function is called, it performs its functionality. So there are two types of functions: predefined function and user defined function. Predefined functions are like it is inbuilt functions, so Python provides that functions. There are various types of built-in functions which we use again and again. So print is one of them, then len function, then input function. So what does print function do? The functionality of print is to print the output. Then the functionality of input is to take input from user. User defined functions are like we create those functions according to our needs. So we'll take an example of user defined functions here. So here we have defined a function. Def is a keyword which we use before defining any function. After def, we write the function name and the parenthesis. Inside that function, there is this code of block. So while writing the code of block, we need this indentation. This indentation is important. I have already discussed it in my previous videos. You can check it out. So when we write this indentation, it considers that block of code. So let's take an actual example where it will return the addition of two numbers. So here it is taking input in the string format, and we are not concatenating any string. We are not doing the string manipulation here. We are doing the addition of two numbers. So to convert this into integer, we'll write here just int. What happened here is we have taken here the input number 1, number 2. We are taking two inputs. Then we are passing those two inputs inside the function of addition, inside the function named addition. So what addition function has is this code of block. Inside that code of block, what it has is it is adding two numbers, and we are printing that numbers. So this is the basics of functions. In the upcoming videos, we will learn what is recursion and actual parameters and formal parameters. So that's all for today. See you in the next video.
Yeah.